yesterday I bought tofu. This one, it has onion and garlic.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
Hi guys, how are you today? Today I woke up late because I was playing Mobile Legends all night. So during the day I slept, and it's been like 16 hours that I haven't eaten anything. So it is late already for the oatmeal. So I think I'm gonna need to cook some soup, but I already prepared lentils. So I'm just adding my favorite stuff on it, and I'm gonna show you what's inside my fridge. Oh, this. I bought yesterday. I bought tofu. This one, it has onion and garlic, and this one is organic tofu, and this one, it has chili flavored hot and spicy tofu. And I'm gonna drink almond milk. I stopped eating dairy, so I'm only drinking almond milk or soya milk. I got some strawberries. You want some strawberries? Do you want some? I will give you. And I also bought quail eggs and organic eggs and some veggies, and I'm gonna put this dried mushroom in my lentil soup. I already prepared the lentil yesterday. I'm just gonna put some of my favorite stuff in it. And I'm cooking also the quail over there in those stoves. So I'm gonna show you later how it looks like. I don't have green veggies because they don't have fresh spinach, because that's the only thing that I put in my soup. And that's how I eat my food. It's just so simple food, because I don't eat a lot of food with high glycemic index food. I don't eat that. That's why I stopped eating white rice, bread, pasta, and some fruits with high glycemic. And all that. And later I'm gonna show you my lentil soup with tofu and quail eggs. And these are my ingredients for my lentil soup. Dried mushroom, tofu, lentils first. I put water on that, and some quail eggs. I put 6. My pan is already hot, so I need to put organic olive oil on it, just a bit. Yeah, that's enough. And I'm just cooking it in a low fire. Can you see that chili flakes in that? That's why I love the taste of it. It is hot and spicy. And then later, I'm gonna show you my finished product. Now my soup is ready, and it's look like this. It's so hot, and I'm gonna eat it. Wanna get some? Yummy. Want some? This is my first meal of the day, of the night. Okay, bye-bye. See you on my next vlog. I'm still editing my makeup video, and it will take a long time. So So I have decided to make this short video so that I can upload something on my channel. And thank you so much for tuning in, and let's eat. I love you all. I'm gonna finish this soup before I work. So bye bye. Thank you guys for watching my vlogs, and see you again next time. I love you all.